I tell niggas straight up, like, I ain't gonna lie. If you ain't doing nothing like far as like business or even I ain't gonna lie, I don't knock no nigga hustle. You doing you, keep doing you, shorty. But at the end of the day, you got to have something back up. Can't be out there all day. You can't be doing this every day. It's like, no, you got to be switching it up, switching lanes. Niggas say they switch down, switch lanes, same lane every day. Feel me? Switch it up.